thank you for watching my channel. 6:15 a.m. Good morning, everyone. Today is last day in Thailand. We be back to Malaysia. I got up a little late today. Don't worry, the bro haven't got up yet. First of all, let's find a place for breakfast. Today is also a long ride. I want to find a good restaurant for breakfast because I'm going back to Malaysia today. And go to 7-Eleven, buy something back to Malaysia. Today is Sunday. I hope there will be no traffic jams in Malaysia. Let's come take a video and pictures of the big family motorcycle rider. This bro came from yesterday morning and now come back with us. Bro is best. Let's wait for the bro to gather for a while. Part 5 Hat Yai back Malaysia. It will be a clear video. Don't miss it. Let's on bike go to eat breakfast. We finally decided to go to a snack shop. The reviews said it was very good. We're here. It's this snack shop is open at 8 o'clock a.m. 8:08 a.m. Harley boy and all bro is coming. Okay, now all bike have arrived. Let's go inside to enjoy breakfast. Let's sit down and enjoy it slowly and look at the menu. A snack shop with a good atmosphere. Here we go. I've been waiting for a long time. Delicious food. Let's have a try. And don't forget to make photos. All food is ready. Let's start enjoying to eat breakfast. A lot of people came after breakfast. Maybe we came too early. After eating, we began to ride home. Ready, bro? Let's back to home now. Oh, we forgot, bro. We want to make the Thai number motorcycle stickers. We remember that there seems to be a Thai number stickers in the front. Let's go and have a look. We hear, but the Thai number has to be made for an hour, so I have no choice but to do it next time. Let's go straight to Danak. Continue to go directly to Dandak, and also walk back to yesterday's road. (9:35 a.m.) Now we go back yesterday, AH2 highway. You can reach Malaysia by riding this road, AH2. Let's buy some stickers.
Hello!
Let's continue riding the bike. It's not far from the Malaysian border. Up to Thailand, the police set up roadblocks. (11:00 a.m.) We arrived and went straight across the Malaysian-Thai border without stopping. Many trucks are allowed to pass the customs. Our motorcycle is more convenient and easy to pass the customs. Turn left on the motorcycle and enter directly. In front is the place where the passport is stamped in Thailand. We must stop the motorcycle and stamp our passports. You can't take video photos inside. Let's parking over there. Let's go in and stamp the passport. Next, don't forget to go to Station 8 and return the evaluation paper. If you forget, you will be fined. Now we in Malaysia Customs. Go inside the motorcycle road and queue up. It's relatively simple here. You don't need to get off the motorcycle to stamp your passport. You just need to scan it to pass. 11:24 a.m. Now we in Malaysia. The time must be adjusted. 12:24 p.m. It takes more than 8 hours and 712 kilometers to get home back to Johor. Let's inside BHP gas station. Fully the gas and ride. After Thailand, we will go home separately. Because everyone's purpose is different. One is Johor, one is Kuala Lumpur, and the other is Pago. I'm Segaman. On the way back, there are many motorcycle riders. People in our country love to ride motorcycles. We will meet many motorcycle riders. Bro, have a nice day and enjoy riding. We entered the rest station to have a rest, filled up the gas and left. 1:26 p.m. Let's continue ride. A barrel of gasoline can ride about 300 kilometers. I will arrive at the next stop. Tapa R&R fill up with gasoline. Oh, another team come back to Thailand. People here, it is usually normal to travel in Thailand, and me too. Be cool, bro. Now arrive at Ipoh. Oh, let's be seen is BMW S1000 XRT. Nice, bro. After Ipoh, we go directly to Tapa R&R gas station, which is still 66 kilometers away. p.m. Let's see, bro, must be back to Cameron Highlands. Because strawberries are the symbol of Cameron Highlands. In front is Tapa. Let's add oil and leave. I'm afraid of traffic jams in Kuala Lumpur. We are going to pass through Kuala Lumpur before people get off work. The motorcycle is broken, and his teammates are helping to push it. Be careful, bro. It will be fine. What happened ahead? It turned out to be a car accident. Be okay. Again, and another one. Motorcycle is broken. Two teammates are helping to push it. Now we in Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur won't be very constant this time. Whoa is Harley bro, my favorite motorcycle. Nice color. Let's inside my video. I just got the message, Harley boy arrive home safely. And there are still 2 bro, and I haven't arrived home yet. We need to cheer up and get home safely. Now we pass the Nilai into Seremban. We will add fuel in R&R Seremban and rest. 5:30 p.m. Many people add gasoline and rest first. Seven o'clock p.m. After Seremban, we went directly to Malacca R&R and the last stop. Let's inside R&R Air Caro. Meet bro last waiting there. 8:45 p.m. We take a rest here for a while. Now be back home. Goodbye, bro. We will go on a motorcycle trip together next time. Thank you for watching. We will end the 5-day and 4-night motorcycle trip to Thailand. But our motorcycle tour will not end. We will keep riding. See you next time.